Hello guys and welcome back to Bittruth with your host Mark Luther. In today's video we are doing a video tutorial on how to mine pigeoncoin on NVIDIA GPUs. So today will be a really fast tutorial on how to mine pigeoncoin and setting up the wallet and the miner, and it will be a really easy setup. It will be just 11 simplified steps. Right now, first step, you need to go to my description in this video, and it's like the same description. Now firstly we're going to download the pigeoncoin wallet. We're going to go to the, when you click on this you will be redirected to this. Now some people have been having some problems on this because they downloaded the wrong thing. Don't download this. Download the WinRAR edition of the wallet because WinRAR is smaller, it's a smaller folder and is easier and more simplified. So download this. You will get this downloading. It's just like 2 minutes. Then go here, step 2, or let's say step 3. After you downloaded it, actually just extract the file, open pigeoncoin wallet, and here we're going to step 4. Now firstly you need to wait until it syncs up. The first time it might take from 15 minutes to half an hour. Go to receive, go to request payment, and you'll get your wallet address. So we need this so we can mine, or you can copy address. We can close this, and then you can turn off this. Of course, after you extract, just click like this extract here and you'll get extracted. Now second thing we want to go is going back to the to the description and going here to the pigeoncoin miner NVIDIA. Okay, now you can mine through Awesome Miner. Actually my friend Goose has a video on that, on Awesome Miner, on how to mine with AMD/NVIDIA GPUs. Now I just have NVIDIA supporting it. I don't like Awesome Miner or Mining Pool Hub. I just like mining on CMD files because I think that's more legit and more stable on hash rate. Of course, now we go in here, you click on the link as always. We go here, and now you have 2 versions. Now since this miner hasn't been for a week, you're going to just open the file right here. You need to go not on Linux. If you're on Linux, you download that. You need to go on this WinRAR 64 or 32. It depends on what your miner has, either 32 or either 64. So I'm going on 64. You click download. It will download here, 2 minutes. You go in here, you open the file, you have this example bat. So right here we have a bit of a complicated thing. It's not complicated, guys. Now we need to get you a pool. Now firstly let's edit this file a bit. Now you need to be very precisely looking at here because any mistake, any small mistake might make you an error. So firstly, we're not donating anything to anybody. We want as much profit as possible. Okay, now here you don't need the pool. You need the pool, the pool URL. You need it, but the username and the password, you don't need those. So let's remove all those and you'll know that in the second. Now I use the pool block cruncher because block cruncher actually is more stable on payouts, and payouts every hour nearly, so it's real comfortable when it comes to usage. Now copy not from the -0, from stratum, so like this. Okay, slowly but surely. Then click copy. Then we go back to show you an example in a second. Make copy paste. Now firstly here you are not it's not obligatory to put anything, just put anything. Okay, and remove these parentheses, and now you have the wallet address. Replace it. Now be sure to keep the spaces, okay, because that's really crucial here. And we just copy paste. Now as you can see here, we have the wallet set up, we have the block cruncher. Now firstly what you have to do from here is just to have select your intensity. You have 20, 21, but the best thing that I found is 21 due to the fact that my GPUs actually handle that, so they don't have any problem. So make sure to click save, or all what you've written will get deleted. Okay, so just click save, remove the file, and then go back here and you can set it up. Since I'm on AMD, okay, since this computer that I edit with has no GPU, you can actually mine on this. You just open it with your NVIDIA GPU. So right now, after you mining, you will get your stats after 10 minutes on block cruncher or even less. Now since the difficulty is very low on the X16S algorithm on pigeoncoin, you will mine really fast. You just have to copy, just forget the negative O. And if you have any questions, anything, just ask me down below. I'm more than ready to help you guys, to guide you more. Now if you want more of an AMD like tutorial, you can go for Goose-Tech. He has one on Awesome Miner. Okay, and this is how you mine Pigeoncoin, and this is how you make money. Actually, in 2 days alone, I made 2,000 coins with just 2 GTX 1080 gigabyte models. Some people have more GPUs, some people even have full mining rigs that can mine maybe more than 10,000 Pigeon coins a day. And still, Pigeoncoin has not been listed on CoinMarketCap, so it's the really good time to get like mining on Pigeoncoin. But I'm just worried that Pigeoncoin doesn't have any like white paper or anything, so that might be a bit suspicious for who are the creators of Pigeoncoin really and what it has its true purpose. Now we have Ravencoin, but you can mine Pigeoncoin, it has more block reward. Now if you think that this pool is not good since it doesn't have like some prizes or some like jackpots, like some pools in the past that have some jackpots, you can actually join them, start mining on them, and you will win like a prize sometimes. Now those actually crash your mining rig more than one time. I tested them, I won one time. Other than that, I don't mine with them. I mine on this block cruncher stable like pool. And thank you guys for watching, and see you guys on the next one.